Hello again guys, Pompey Picker back again. Just going through some more bits and pieces. Like I said, having a bit of a clear out and came across the Southall Tubular picks, and they're virtually brand new, hardly used. We've got a 7 pinner and an 8 pinner. I don't think I've ever used the 8 pinner, but yeah, these quite cool tools actually. As long as they fit into the lock, they work pretty well. So this is how they kind of work. Is you loosen the nut on the collar, push all the pins using the washer. Be easier to push all the pins out, so you can see all the pins protruding from the end of the pick. And what you do is you push the pins down gently so they're level with the end of the pick, and just tighten that collar nut up, just not too much. If you over tighten it, the pins in the lock won't push back to where their desired position. So let's have a look at it. So I found this old brass tubular lock padlock. It says cam lock systems on there. I don't know what that actually means, but yeah, so it's quite a strange lock really, because I don't really see many tubular lock brass padlocks like this. So I thought I'd keep hold of this one. But yeah, so basically you place the pick into the lock and just apply pressure, slight twist, and the theory is the pins work their way back, or the needles work their way back into the position where they set the pins, and it should theoretically turn the lock. And I guess that's open. Oh, yeah, there you go. So yeah, the good thing about this also is that if you tighten the nut on the collar, that basically gives you a key for this lock. So let's push that back in, and that's locked up. And now it's unlocked. And there you go, locked up. So what comes with this, which I can't actually find at the moment, is a key gauge which gives you the depth numbers of each of these needles. So basically you could write down the numbers of each pin on the gauge. I think it's 1 to 7, something like that maybe, and you can get an actual tubular key cut to code. So yeah, very good tools these are. Southall, can't remember what I paid for them, probably about 60 or 70 pounds I would have thought, but yeah, cool little tool. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, speak to you soon.